So I just came across this story on social media and I was like, and to come from Ukrombaga and say this particular Indian man, no, yachino, in fact, or koda a fiase, somebody will say prison for 5 good years. Bonibe na wa ye or no na home free, the Kroma Bagana, any company be ye Juma Ewa Kroma say. But to me, the boss sika bebre, and odiwe no, a dear barney timane say. Uncle print counterfeit. No fanko gube be as cannot fire no. Ne no na nam so ama police fire then action. I hire SALAAMA 360 and we are coming to look at this story. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and also follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere at all at SALAAMA 360. Now let's move on to the story. This particular Indian man that I'm talking about, he's called Sharmah. Sharmah. The moment you hear the name, you just know he's an Indian, right? Now, Sharmah no one say air freshener company be in a year juma, and the boss to coin, and a boss say this sika puduo sika adeyema. I was say for me say asumesi shasumame na me to coin day and komra. The moment the boss left, this guy was like, money has come. Yay, sika no go fefe. Sika no. He started chopping the money. Chopping the money. He has chopped the money. Now the money has finished.
Indian ya brantie a friend no Shaham, Sharmah, ne hu abasem ewo amagane mu ma ene circuit court 9 ahyese onkoda fiase nsawam na duafie mfinhia maako enum na enum ne kura no kesi ewum enotemuafo Joseph Sunyong ese onkoda fiase kwadu edikan ayede bo eye Sharmah se ukra sika enye sika papa eye Ghana cedis obi beka se possession of fake currency na abranti enchemu nyina kyese one kan penny bi a eye air refresher bi ena ye adwuma won kramantamu ha ono a ne sika eja ohweso nkakran sa ne boss sika odi agu ewo safe mu no abranti etwi sika nkakran o twi sika nkakran na nani ba ne ho so no ese sika no wadi ni nyina wie e de afi sa safe nim
Agwa we jenya me nim dis kan wie no ona say na sika sa say e be ending oni bi o ba bi a okofa de begu save enye sika keto o minim do so wasanya akofo na akomo na busuafo India ho say what they apem ma o say what they did o so they no monsan only God and himself knows what this ikani nyinara wo wie no the only idea that came to his mind was to enter a printing press shop, and then he told them that he needs this amount of money to go and do film, like he's an actor. So I'm not a Nigerian. He's an actor. And you know, he sika bebre di koyi movie okotogu movie ni mu ento mu ntwese sika mu twama na Ghana cedis no 1,991,000 and coins. Says sika no in Ghana cedis enye old currency o. New currency was a whole bunch of money. Say enye Ghana cedis nkwa no di ye. O signs with the dollars ka ho. You American dollars ka ho na says ka no so 191,000 USD. Wadi he has squandered the money. So that money too, he asked them to print the money. Ojis can we kode no or we oda kwhye vinim cheze opepa na no ho wonye hwe and then the boss came. When the boss came, obi so my money is intact, you know, or share is kind of man because the money looks so real. It looks so real. You wouldn't even say it's not money, like it's not real money. It looks so real. Boss on also nisika echo bank or the quarter bank because the money can't be in the safe like that. Or this guy no go through banker. Yes, gentleman, your money is fake. Now boss on watch no. Boss mom na ye no. But omudue no. Na say Indian man na ono na hwanyame anim adi sa abone no.
Eno bo ni tirim se oh ene Ghana sika ya ene Donald Trump sika obetwa bi e de agu a ne boss ba ohun nokre abrante Sharmah eye ne hu bi pa ene okohu printing press fo bi a e print enwoma e ka che omo se otwa sini ye beka so ye film actor na opeso mu twa sika kakra ma no na wo mu de koyi sini bi sika wokotwa aye eye 1,991,000 Ghana cedis enye no coins bi kura gu akiri na oji sika nen kakran sika wo hwe nyina ene Bank of Ghana kwa de wo stamp team so pan otwa sa sika wie no se me boss sika me di dollars ka ho nti ma me nkotwa dollars ni bi ene ja dollars ni so okotwa 191,000 US dollars na otwa sa sika wie no de kogu safe na wadi ni boss sika no e de afri mu eja ni wura atukwan akwaba obeduye obi esika ne fe ze ohwe safe no so my money dey inside afi edubra ye disika ne beko banka okodu banka ye se eja wo de sika enye papa na aba bank ye bo akiri wahu nipa bibini o de kwhye ebibifo na okọ print sika ne wo nchen no ema ye kwachi enipa mako numa na mo ye Ghana for say wo mo ene bo ano ye beka se omo abete ye anase omo conspire with Sharmah apolisi for chi wom asem ni fiase nkakranka e wo court a apolisi for bom humodin papa eye police penny baako a odi ni dwuma yie pa wise ene ni team eye nhwehwemu no mo ye nhwehwemu ni wie no mu se Ghana for no eye dwuma ye hyehye de ma wom enye se dwuma ye hyehye se wom na eye na emum eye adwuma Sharmah ba wom nchen be stress wontwa ma wom ntwa ma amoro so wom gi wom sika ntina eno ano no eno na nam so ma court eyi san nipa enumi efiri mu beka Sharmah efi June 2025 ena Sharmah dem a bosome mako nwotwe eko enkunu mu na anu ya eno no aba court biu beka che court say ade ne de I do am me na me yeye na menim se Ghana saase so sebi udin semfon semtantan se ya emra ebetimi acho nti ade ne de mehwa me ye ti kwadu bia se ne fatan asotwen momfa moma eno na circuit court 9 otimuafo ehwe nanim din no say count 1 4 years a possession of fake currency 4 years count 2 eno so the same adequate 5 years kamekamboma mfinhia kono 9 years na abekwakoda Ghana na duafie nanso mehwe w'anim a wo ye foreigner Indian ni abrante kintinawa wo ba Ghana sebi nsemfo ntantanse wo de meche mfinhia enum koi na koye dwumaden fasoma ma Ghana mfinhia mako enum utum wi a yenwo wetiko na firo man Ghana mu ha eko.
And if you listen to the story very well, it's like ye chi no ordinary bra kwosue baby okọ printies ka no sa Ghana for no ko sre okọ pa o mo chewo say I'm going to film me ko yi movie I'm going to act so I need money Mr. Mo and mo charge no and yeah they will try o mo twa ska no man say o de dey on fanko wa my chi wo mo kan ho o my chi wo mo but Ghana police service hwehwɛ mu na na say o mo de omo nim ho hwe no kra na so mu dem be 2 months bi kakra for many so and later Indian ni no hwe na o se ade we die this one hwe ye be me kwana bra za ni mawu so let me just go and confess and on akasa kasa ampani ampa wo no na ye and he was supposed to be in prison for 9 years but Ghana for hwe almost they gave him 5 years. When you go to the comment section the way people are angry because they are like 5 years for a foreigner who came to Ghana to come and print money, a crime like this. And they're saying that there was a man that went to bush to hunt. If people have given the man 7 years or was it 3 years? I don't know. My man just going to the bush to go and find food to eat. My man years on could obi finu kro Ghana say one bra or be ye juma or happy be you. Osama committed a crime like this, and people are giving him just 5 years. Hey, just 5 years. You yet, yeah. Then mama gonna leave you go now some mama 10 years, 20 years. Come at it. I have SALAAMA 360. So let me know what you also think about it in the comment section. You know this place to be your trends headquarters, and we give you the closer look of every story, by the way. You know this already. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere at all at SALAAMA 360. My name is also SALAAMA. I'm out.